Okay, this is video of the most ginormous spider we've ever seen. Don't get it near it yet unless you're ready.
Okay.
Wait, Isabel, I'm not brave enough to suck it up. Isabel is. I can't do it. We think it's type tarantula. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my, I can't touch it. Alright, are you ready?
I think I am. The spider's gonna be a girl.
Wait! Let me turn it on. Are you ready? This might be the last time we see Isabel. Oh my god. Suck my hand.
I was gonna suck you up. No, you did a crying video.
Why? And it's still there.